Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today we'll be talking about ProLock extension cords, what they are, and some of the features that are included with them. So what is a ProLock? Well, simply put, it's an extension cord that locks in whatever you plug into it. Matt found these on a trip to McGuire's headquarters, and ever since he found them, he has not used a single regular extension cord since. ProLocks are made out of a 12 gauge 3-wire construction. They are rated up to 15 amps, and they are also coated in a high quality, non-marking, pliable PVC jacket. Basically all that means is that they will not mark up your floor or concrete, and they will last a super long time. Additionally, they're cold weather rated, so it'll keep that pliability even in cold weather. So some of the features that are included on this ProLock cord is obviously the locking mechanism on the female end. This mechanism is made of a high impact polycarbonate, and all that really means is that you can dish out some serious abuse to it and it will never shatter on you. In addition to the locking mechanism, it also has a ground continuity monitoring system. All this means is that if the green light is on, you're not having any issues with grounding and you're good to use the cord. You'll also notice an amber light coming from the male end of the cord. Basically, if the amber light is shining, you know that the cord is getting power from the wall, and you'll never be left wondering whether it's the outlet, the cord, or the power tool that is not working properly. Once you get a handful of these ProLock extension cords, it's pretty difficult to justify going back to a regular extension cord. Whether you decide to just have these coiled up somewhere in your garage or mount them in a power cord reel on the wall, they are absolutely a must-have in your garage. If you're looking to upgrade or replace your extension cords, I definitely think the ProLock is something you should consider. As always, we have the blue and the black variants available in many lengths on our website at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.